Do you find life dull? Unsatisfying, even? Are your surroundings upsettingly not ablaze? Sounds like you need to ask yourself, what would Erik do? Eight years ago, I roped my college roommate into hawking shirts with my face on them. In time, they became the official merchandise of a renowned Orange County band, Erik's Bike Repair. Now, for a limited time only, WWED shirts are back with an updated design. I am raising money to go to Mexico for a year internship through Evangelical Friends Mission, and I need your help. For a generous gift of $50 or more, you will receive a limited edition 2025 WWED shirt delivered right to your door. Just click the link in the description and fill out the form. Then, email me at ericnilson1@gmail.com with the subject line WWED and tell me your shirt size and color. Available in sizes small through 3XL. Available colors are white, black, royal blue, navy, and gray. Each and every shirt will be printed by me personally. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for following me on my adventures for all of these years. This is going to be the biggest one yet, and it's only the beginning of greater things yet to come.